How To with SBBlooms. And just a reminder on how this series works, every week we poll our Instagram audience on a trending Pinterest pin that you want us to recreate with our premium silk flowers, and we show you how to recreate it. Last week you all voted on this install with the Sophia Collection, and we are really excited to try this. This is our first time trying a suspended floral cloud install, so we can't wait to see how it comes out, and we can't wait to see y'all recreate this for your wedding day. So let's tell y'all what products that you need to recreate this look.
The first thing we use is the Sophia Garland. Next thing we use is the Baby's Breath bush.
And then we use the Wisteria Galands. And we use the frosted leaf garland. Tools that you need are
Heavy duty fishing line, wire clippers, and then lots of zip ties.
To start off, you need a base to build onto. So for this install, we used a copper, like this thin copper pipe to create a rectangle. You could also use a pool noodle, a hula hoop, just some type of light but sturdy structure that you can suspend. We are suspending it from some poles, but in your venue there would probably be like a ceiling and some hooks for you to use, but we're working with what we got, and let's get into it. Alright, there you have it, a floral cloud with the Sophia Collection. The total quantity of products we used are 2 Wisteria Garlands, 4 Sophia Garlands, and 6 frosted leaf garlands. You can see it's super full, and I really like how it turned out. Yeah, it's cute. Just a reminder, this is part of our How To with SBBlooms series, where every week we poll our Instagram audience on a trending Pinterest pin that you want us to recreate with our premium silk florals. So if you want to say in what we do next week, follow us on Instagram at SBBlooms and participate in the poll. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, comment, give us some love, and check back next week for more. See y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.